What's up guys, Rain here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Minecraft lag. So I'm going to walk you through several steps. So first off, let's go to the first one. So we're going to modify your Minecraft settings to allow it to be more faster. Obviously I don't need this settings, but I'm still going to show it because it can be useful to you, not me. So this is more for like slower computers and all that kind of thing. So when you go to your settings, you want to be on graphics fast. You want your render distance to be teeny, not fast or full or far as like mine's. Your smooth lighting you want on minimum. Performance you want on max FPS. View bobbing you want off. 3D anaglyph you want off because that is completely unnecessary. You don't have 3D glasses to be playing this right now, so you just want to increase your speed. GUI scale doesn't matter, it's up to you. Brightness you want to have all the way bright so it's more lighted and things load better. Particles you want on minimal, and you want VSync off so you can have high FPS. VSync basically just makes the vertical, when you move vertically up, you don't have those lines. Although you don't really get it if you have a high FPS computer anyway. It just helps you out if you have like a mid-range computer. You want clouds off, and you want advanced OpenGL on. So now I'm gonna press done, and let's go to see how our FPS is doing now. If you look at the top, I have 260, 250, 327. Earlier I had a little bit faster, I had up to 1000 FPS. I think it depends on the area you're in and how much of the map you actually got. So you see it's increasing. It's probably because it was in the menu, I don't know. Anyway, so that's the first step in increasing your FPS. If this doesn't help, I'll show you the next part. So the next part is to prioritize your RAM to this, or you prioritize your memory. So what we're going to do is you're going to go to your task manager. You can actually find it by searching up task manager in here, and you should find some kind of thing. This is manage Windows task or whatever. Just go to that. You want to click on process, and you want to go down to or up or wherever it is. It's called Java W. Right here you can see mine, and we're gonna put the priority of it to high, not real time, high. So now it has memory priority, and should be working a little bit more faster than before if you have a low amount of RAM. If this doesn't work, we're gonna go on to the next one, which is allocating more RAM to Minecraft. So for this, we're gonna create a new text document. If you don't know how to do it, let me show you in a second. After we rename this, you press right click, new text document, and then it should pop off it like a new file or whatever. So we're gonna go into this file, and we're gonna edit this code. We're gonna put this code in here, and it should be in the description of this video. And we're gonna rename the amount of memory. Now your memory depends all on your computer, so go to system security on the control panel and systems, and check how much RAM you have installed. So it'll be this right here. I have 16 gigabytes. Most people have around 2 gigabytes, so I'm gonna show you how to do it for those computers. We're gonna allocate half if we use 2 gigabytes. So let me cut this real fast. Okay. We're gonna put 1024, which is 1 gigabyte of RAM for those 2 gigabyte users, and then we're gonna do the same thing right here, and then we're gonna save it, and we're gonna rename it. So let me stick it back to what I had it before because I have a stronger computer, so I can allocate more RAM. This is not necessarily half, I'm just using enough, so this is like 1/4 of my RAM. And we're gonna rename it and call it BAT. Oh, not TBAT, just BAT for bat, and just click yes and run it. So it's gonna open up Minecraft with 4 gigabytes allocated to it, or 1 gigabyte for what I showed you guys. And I can't go on there because my server's down right now. We're gonna go in here, and it might not show it if you didn't really need the RAM. If you did, because you have to look at that 7% up in the top left here, not top left, top right. if it was getting used up, then that's when you allocate more RAM. If it's not, then just you can leave it normal, or do it just in case if you're blowing up a lot of TNT or building a lot or something like that. Other than that, you don't have to worry. So that is another way of doing this. Now we're gonna go on to Optifine. So let me pull up my internet browser window, and you're gonna go to the description or the link in the description, which brings you to Optifine's website. For junk computers or high computers, depends on, or mid-range, depends on what computer you have. So low means no graphics card around there kind of thing. Standard means you have a pretty decent graphics card, or ultra, which means you have a good graphics card and a good quad processor. For me, I'm gonna get ultra, but actually I'm gonna get light for most people, because most people have a really crap computer and don't have a graphics card. So I'm gonna show them this. Let me download it. It's gonna bring you to an AdFly link. Just wait until the 5 seconds is done, then download it. You're just supporting them, giving them a little bit of money for working on this. Click right here. It's gonna download, and as you see, it's downloaded. Delete advertisements. Go down here and right click and extract to Optifine, or here, depends. Yeah, extract to Optifine would keep it all in a folder. Next step is we're gonna open up our Minecraft folder, which you can do two things. You can either go and run and type this command, or you can go into any kind of folder and just type %app data % at the top, and it'll bring you to your roaming page. Next we're going to go into .minecraft and then into bin. So now we're in a bin. This is a new Minecraft.jar. It doesn't have any mods on it whatsoever, so we're actually going to keep it that, and we're going to open it with WinRAR, and you see all the files open. What we're going to do first is delete the meta.inf, because that will screw up Optifine and any other program, any other mods that you would install. Let's go grab the Optifine folder, click all of that, shift click all of them and drag it in, press OK, and you are done. So now that Minecraft.jar is modified, and we can now open up Minecraft. Just log in, and this should work the first time. If it doesn't work for you, just try again. Let's go into our world, and now that we did this, automatically you should notice a little bit difference. If you don't, then just go to video settings, and you will have a lot, or go to video settings and just make sure you have the same settings as before, and it should increase your FPS. Now none of this is going to show for me because my computer is just going to be running the same, since it's over processing everything that I'm throwing at it right now, and you're not going to see a big difference in my FPS because of it. But believe me, on a really junk computer or something really low quality, you're going to see a big difference. So next up we have Game Booster. So what you're going to do is, let me exit this out. You're gonna go download this. Now I can't actually start this up because it'll just cancel out my video recorder, but I will show you how to select things and all that once you get in it. So you're gonna type in Game Booster at the top, go to the first website, Razer, and free download, and then download it just like you would with anything else. Then you should get something like this. You're gonna open it and wait for it to download completely. They really improved this Game Booster since the last time they released it, so it's a lot faster now. And when I used to use it back when my computer was junk and I couldn't use Minecraft or anything, barely, I was getting like 40 FPS, and normally I get like less than 20, like 16 or something. I was getting 40, and I was able to go on far render distance, which is pretty awesome when I first did that. Anyway, so we're gonna install this Game Booster. Don't mind all this other crap, just exit that out, and we're gonna launch it. Let me just log in real fast. I guess now you have to log in because I guess they went with a different company now. They have game boosters, so you're gonna have to create an account if you don't have one, but I already have one, so I'm gonna log in. We're gonna actually launch Minecraft, so we're gonna have to add a game. And right here, that's where, sorry, couldn't find it. So you're gonna find where your Minecraft.exe is. Mine is right here. And we're gonna click configure, and we're gonna shut down a lot of things now. Just go through here, and you're gonna, this is whatever you click is what it's gonna shut down. So we don't need these. We're gonna shut all that down when we go into this. We don't need any of this. So all this stuff we're gonna shut down when we start it. So I actually think I can show you guys how this works, because I just made it so it doesn't shut down my recorder. And then go to system, and you want to click everything except for this right here, and you don't want to, you want to click themes, because you want your themes gone when you actually do it. It'll increase everything. Same with this, go all the way down and click away, or go up, click away. I thought I can shift click, but I guess not. Make sure everything is disabled. It's gonna make your service a lot faster and your experience a lot better. Just leave all these clicked, unclick Xmx4096m, or you're just gonna like lose your, or not lose it, just like restart your computer. I mean, you can, I think now you can, but I'm just not gonna do it because it's completely unnecessary. And then we're gonna unclick launch game on desktop, and then apply, and we're gonna start up Minecraft. So as you can see, it's boosting our game, and it's actually gonna change our theme, so everything's gonna look different, and it will be a lot faster. Let's see in a second. Now to stop this from boosting everything is just exit the game that you are playing, and it'll exit this really junk theme right here, and you should be good to go. So let's just go back onto our world so you can see if there's a difference. Most likely won't be at mine's, as actually there is. So you can see there's a little difference from the last time we were on, a little bit FPS increase. So yeah, so this is probably the best program, the best way to increase your FPS. I'm gonna put mine on far since I can. Show you guys my map that I don't have anything on. So this is the best option. Do this first, if anything, and change your Minecraft settings, and then try out this other stuff if it's not working for you. Other than that, have a good day, guys, and I'm out.